Welcome back. CapCut also has a portrait generator. You can generate AI portraits in various styles. It is a variation of the image to image process. We're going to click on Portrait Generator. Now we are going to start with a portrait. And if you want to see how the process works and you don't have a portrait, you can use one of CapCut's available portraits. We're going to upload a portrait image. We can then determine what kind of image we want to output. The choices are 3D cartoon, a pop image, manga, 3D game, or Hong Kong cartoon. For the sake of example in this case, we're going to use a 3D game image. We are then going to click Transfer. And CapCut will then begin the generation process. Now, depending on your browser and your personal computer, the process could take time to undertake. And you will see what CapCut is able to do with the element. If you want to see what the original looked like, you can click on the element and you can switch back to see what CapCut was able to do. You can try another element. You can click on 3D cartoon. You can then transfer the image into a 3D cartoon. And again, the generation process depends on your personal computer as well as your browser. In order to download the image, you can click on this element, or you can export the element here in this area. If you need to use the editing tools, you can use them here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.